Join us as we tour cabin 9191 aboard Utopia of the Seas. This room is going to sleep up to 4 guests and is a Central Park view room. If you're like our family and travel with medicine that needs to be refrigerated, make sure to ask your room attendant for a medical fridge. You can see ours pictured there, and they will deliver it to your room for you. They can also deliver sharps containers. Now, there is a cooler in the room, but it is not safe to put medicine in. There's a very nice reading nook located in this room that will overlook Central Park. And now you're seeing the bed that has been converted from the couch originally, which allows you to have some extra sleeping space. There's also going to be 2 closets in this room. One's a little bit shorter and has some drawers underneath, and one's a little bit longer. The beds can be put together to make a queen, or they can be separated to make 2 twins. You're seeing some extra charging ports as well as a lamp located on both sides of the bed. The lamp is really important because it is disconnected from the main on and off switch by the front of the room. And then as far as toiletries, your room is going to come with a 3-in-1 body wash shampoo. This room has the ability to be booked as a connecting room. So after you get on board, you're going to let your room attendant know to have the manager come and unlock the connecting door, and it will remain unlocked for the duration of your trip. It will shut if you want to close it, but it will not lock.